Ladies and gentlemen, paragraph. It is my pleasure to inaugurate the annual meeting of the Asian Development Bank today. On this occasion, I wish to share with you some of my thoughts. It is our desire to expose industries to greater international competition through cost reduction in protective barriers. The idea is to provide industries with an environment with encouraged production and innovation which will help to strengthen to export effort. Paragraph. At the same time, there will be further dismantling of controls since experience has shown that discretionary and administrative controls often breed delay and corruption and were used to protect monopolistic position. This must change, and the government's intention is to carry forward the process of increased competition and reduction in controls that had been initiated in the past and which had resulted in industrial modernization and technological upgradation. Paragraph. I may, however, state that the determination to ensure that the external debts position remained manageable. This meant that commercial borrowings will be kept strictly within prudent limits. This is what we intend to do, and our industrial and trade policies will be geared to ensure that this potential is translated into reality. Paragraph. On foreign investment, I would like to repeat that all areas of economic will be open to foreign investors. Yet there is a large area where investment was needed, particularly in sections of high technology and where it could contribute to the export capability, and the government would welcome investment here. Foreign investment policy and procedures are also being reviewed to make the regime more transparent to investors. Paragraph. As regards the international situation, I wish to point out that the past decade saw a wholly inadequate expansion in the financial status of multilateral institutions, while the needs of the developing countries were very large. Another area of concern was international trade arena, in which the multilateral trading system was under severe pressure. There is a growing tendency to think in terms of exclusive trading blocks. These tendencies weaken the trading system and reduce the confidence in this functioning. Paragraph. Let us hope and trust that our collective thinking towards the common goal will in reality bear fruit. Thank you. Dear member, may I remind you that each year members of our institution have the opportunity of competing for a number of awards and prizes. Paragraph. Alexander Norman and Company Limited generously donate to medal for competition by members, and the institution makes available a prize for graduates and another for students. In addition, awards are made to those candidates submitting the best papers in the institution. Examination course number 187. Paragraph. There must be many among our members who, in the course of their delay work, have investigated problems and found solutions which would be of interest to other engineers. Here may be the raw materials for an entry for an Alexander Norman Awards. In some cases, the problem may not have been completely solved, and the very act of setting it out logically as a paper may suggest a solution, or perhaps some other members on reading the paper may be able to put up an even better method, and so advance engineering technique for graduates and students. The writing of a paper will give valuable training in clear and logical thinking and self expression, qualities which are essential to progress in their careers as engineer. This is in addition to the personal satisfaction to be gained by winning a prize in open competition. I would particularly ask you to note that it is now possible for a paper which is read by a member at a branch meeting also to be entered for an award. Paragraph. A leaflet is available from the secretary giving full details of the various institution awards and prizes. Thanking you. Yours sincerely,